Our company is a startup company that has been established 2 years ago. It's a spin-off of Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. And it provides specific solutions for digital transformation of industrial companies that include IoT sensors, mobile robots, and AR/VR solutions. Our solution includes the installation of a real-time locating system to monitor the movement of trolleys employed for transportation fabrics and semi-finished products in the facility. The knowledge of the accurate position of a trolley and its proximity to a workstation allows for automatic logging of arrival and departure times and from a station, and the calculation of production and transportation times in all segments of the trolley route. The RTLS, developed by Digital Value Chains, our company, is a new solution regarding hardware and software that provides improved localization accuracy and significant autonomy of the battery-operated devices. Its innovations stem from the accuracy, the localization accuracy, which is achieved by employing machine learning techniques to correct signal disruption or distortions that usually occur in industrial environments with large metal equipment. And the second innovation is the multi-month autonomy of the battery-operated devices. The Mind4Machines project was an excellent opportunity for us to improve our product and to join this community.
Cotton is a garment manufacturer producing garments under private label, contractual agreements with well-known international providers, customers. Apart from the CNC fabric cutting machines, our production is mainly manual, with several people working on sewing, stitching, quality control, cutting, ironing and packaging of the products without using digital technologies. The production monitoring is also manual, and the management receives the production information only after the end of the shifts. This project showed us a potential solution that will increase our digitalization level and allows us even for remote monitoring of the process. The Mind4Machines project was an excellent opportunity for us to test technology without a real cost for us.